As you can see in this video, I'm going to be doing some fishing. It's a very beautiful spot. It's a nice creek. A lot of brook trout in here. I'm just going a little bare bones. All I've got is this little swivel, a little hook, some worms. Such a beautiful spot. But anyways, I'm going to go right along the edge over here, as I can't cast very far. I'm using my son's pole too. And I'm going to try in here and let it float down off to the side. So let's get fishing. As you can see, absolutely beautiful back here. There's Coliseum Mountain. Been to the top of that once. Not sure I'll ever go back, but it's just really cool how it has that bowl shape to it, just like the Coliseum. But yeah, we're just walking to another spot. I think we'll have more fish. Seen that one jump, but it absolutely did nothing. I couldn't get a bite, so. And I ain't got a lot of time, so I'd rather just hop spots after, 10 casts or so, just so I can continue being productive as a fisherman, because I'm not the greatest fisherman. Anyways, I'll see you at the next spot. First time in a long time seeing a mushroom. If anyone can tell me what that is, please let me know, because I don't know if these are edible or not, but it looks pretty tasty to me. Here we are at spot number 2. As you can see, there's a lot of trees growing over, so the fish have a lot of cover. I've known this spot to be very successful. Same with the first spot though, so I'm not promising anything. And if I spin you around here, there's even more coverage here, and then higher up there's a beaver dam. And I took a peek, there was a few small fish, but nothing impressive. So I'm hoping this spot does the job. Right now, I'm really wishing I would have brought some spoons with me, or spinners, or even my fly rod, because I mean, they're definitely eating flies, but I can't tell exactly what they're eating on. But I'm just hoping not to get skunked. We have about, I don't know, 45 minutes left of good daylight. Ooh, had a bite. Felt like a decent one, but I don't know if he was going to come back. We'll cast it out a little further, maybe. There we go. Oh, we got one. Just a tiny fella. Okay, relax, relax, relax. This is what we are looking for. Tiny little brook trout, but beautiful fish nonetheless. I'm going to hurry up and get him back in. Tell your dad to come see me in a minute. It's a beautiful spot to fish. It's always great for brook trout. It's the only trout I've actually ever caught in here, and they're always a fun time. I just wish I would have landed that bigger one. I think this one's even smaller than the last one. Alright, I think I'll give it a few more casts, and then I gotta call it a night because it is getting late. But we're 2 brook trout in. We missed the big one, which sucks, but it is what it is. This one feels a bit better. Oh yeah. Relax, 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 relax. Not the biggest one I've ever caught out of this creek, but still beautiful brook trout. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous fish. I'm gonna hurry up and release him now. Well, off to home. Well, good morning. Anyways, so the sawmill, it is finished. I mean, I still gotta put the winch posts up and a few little odds and ends, but that'll take all of like 30 minutes, but it's completely done. I won't be using it in this video for the simple fact I am going away in 2 days. We're going camping in BC, so you know, I'll record that camping trip for you, but yeah, it's nice to have it done and be able to use it next week. It's gonna be a big learning curve for me because I've never had one, I've never used one, so it's definitely gonna be interesting. But we are off to go drop some trees in the pasture, so hope you enjoy. My plan for this area down by the creek is I want to clear out most of this section of trees here. That way it can grow into a nice, you know, grassy field. So obviously there's a lot more trees here than the camera can show, but so I won't be dropping all of them today, but I do want to slowly work my way up to dropping all of them. So yeah, let's get started. seems to be a theme that anytime I want to drop trees or do some chainsaw work, the weather unfortunately has different plans for me. But that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.